I would say what I appreciated most about my experience at AIB was the flexibility. And I didn't feel the way I felt in university, where completely out of control and I had to perform in areas that I wasn't comfortable or confident in. My name is Manar El Mugammar, and I am currently a COO at a talent influencer agency, Shine Talent Group. We're a global agency. We operate in the UK, Canada, and the US. I think the thing that brings me the most pride is making my parents proud. As a daughter of immigrants and first generation Canadian myself, I know how important it is for my parents to see their children be successful and be happy and be in a career that they can be proud of. I think what was really important to me is to have the credentials to not have any questions about why I was where I was. And that was really important. But in addition, I felt like I couldn't take that next step to a larger company without an MBA. To be a decision maker at a small agency or a small company is much easier than to do that at a much larger company. You have a lot more competition, and it felt like it was the right move to be able to take my career from working at small or middle-sized businesses to larger businesses. So some of the changes that I've seen are, I would say, more confidence in my decision making. So I'm a little bit less hesitant or looking for reassurance from other people. I also think about decisions a bit differently. So I don't think about the decision from just the one aspect or just the operations aspect. I'm thinking about it from finance, from human resources, from all of the different areas that we studied. I would say what I appreciated most about my experience at AIB was the flexibility. I didn't have to drive to a class and drive back. I really also liked the independent learning component of it because it made me in the driver's seat. And I didn't feel the way I felt in university, where completely out of control and I had to perform in areas that I wasn't comfortable or confident in. I felt because I was in charge of my learning journey, that I was making all of the decisions, it gave me a little bit of added confidence. One piece of advice that I would give to anyone looking to advance to the C-suite would be to be your biggest advocate and your biggest salesperson. We all are a little uncomfortable talking about ourselves from time to time, but I think it's really important that you get really comfortable talking about your accomplishments, your skills, and what you bring to the table. Something that I took away from my time at AIB was the connections that I made. So I would say, if you are taking this on, please attend class. Watching the recordings is one thing, but a big piece of advice I have for people is go to class, chat to your classmates, join the chat groups with your classmates, and make those connections because they're invaluable in different industries as well.